tried the Be KOZE brand with Jaclyn? Have you? It just, it makes you not want to wear clothes ever again. I mean, what can I say? I mean, it's an all-in-one. It's a blanket, it's a robe, and it actually goes down to your hand. I've never had a robe to finally go all the way, you know, down the arm. Normally, the robes kind of like stay like right there. Why? I don't know, but maybe it's me. Who knows? But typically, they're like right there. This guy, he goes all the way. He goes all the way. He goes all the way. It matters to me if you can go all the way. Yeah, I like it. It's so soft. Do you have to put clothes back on?